morning, all my dear students of class 5. As you people all know that we are doing Helping Hands, chapter number 10 of EVS of class 5 in the Google Classroom. So let us do a bit of few topics in YouTube section as well, so that those who have missed the classes from Google Classroom, they can go to the YouTube links, which I will share in the stream section. So let us start the class. As you can see, the name of the lesson is Helping Hands, lesson number 2. It's a very beautiful lesson. By the name of the lesson, it shows that it's something like helping someone. So we all, as a human being, love to help each other, and we need others has help as well, because it's not possible for us to do each and every work with our own. There are soldiers, doctors, teachers, sweepers, washermen, maid, who help us in our day-to-day life. So the lesson is all about this various kind of jobs. So let us start the lesson. As you can see in the picture, some few of the topics I will discuss today. The first one is essential services. Now, what is the meaning of essential? Essential. What is the meaning of essential in Hindi? Essential मतलब बहुत ज़रूरी. Okay, compulsory. So let us see what are essential services. So what it is written like: we live in a community, and for the proper functioning and organization of our community, we need community helpers. Community helpers improve the quality of our lives and make it more comfortable by the services they provide. These services affect our daily lives and are called essential services. So, such as we live in a community and we need some people, such as those are known as community helpers. Okay, community helper improve the quality of our life. The person who are known as community helpers, they improve the quality of our living. It improve the living standards and make it more comfortable by the service they provide. These services affect our daily lives and are called essential services. Now let us see what are the jobs or the services which are known as essential services, such as a maid, a sweeper, a washerman, a newspaper vendor, a school bus driver. So these are the jobs, these are the services which are known as essential services. These are very much essential for us to uplift our living condition. Such as, what is the work of a maid? A maid comes to our house every day and helps us by cleaning the utensils, washing the clothes, and cleaning the houses. A sweeper cleans the streets of our colony and the roads outside our school. A washerman or dhobi washes and iron our clothes, school uniform, as well as our father's or mother's office clothes. Now, what does a newspaper vendor do? A newspaper vendor delivers newspapers and magazines to our house every day. A school bus driver and conductor takes students to school every day, where the teachers teach and guides the students. Imagine what life would be like if one or all of them stopped working. So just imagine that all of them, maid, sweeper, washerman, newspaper vendor, a school driver, or the conductor, stop working for a single day. Then what will happen? We will suffer a lot. Okay, so these are known as essential services. Now this paragraph is all about like we need help from other people to complete many important tasks. For completion of many important tasks, to complete many important tasks, we need help from various people. This basic need for other people's helps makes society friendly and interdependent. So such as we need a lot of people to do a lot of tasks, because it's not possible for a single human being to do all the work. That's why we are interdependent. Such as a teacher can't sell vegetable, a vegetable vendor can't teach in school. In the same way, doctor can't do the work of an engineer, and an engineer can't do work of a doctor. So we people are interdependent. Okay, people who help us in our daily lives are known as helpers. In a community, there are people who do different types of work, such as cleaning garbages, cleaning schools and houses, gardening houses, sweeping streets, and taking care of garden and city parks. These people are known as community workers. Now, who are known as community workers? Community worker means who works for a particular community or works in a particular community, such as cleaning school houses, cleaning garbages, gardening houses, guarding houses, sweeping streets, and taking care of gardens and city parks. These people who perform these services are known as community workers. Next, it is written about livelihood and animals. So in this paragraph, we are going to learn about how we as a human dependent on animals for our livelihood. Few peoples are there who depends on animals for their survival. So let's go through it. Humans have been dependent on animals throughout the ages. Hunting was a primary occupation, as can be seen in many paintings from the prehistoric times. The rock paintings of Bhimbetka show many scenes of hunting and honey collection. Till today, people depend on animals for many things. Many depend on animals as a means of livelihood. Let us learn about some of them. So here, let us learn about some of the people who depend on animal for their livelihood. So, as you people know about snake charmers in Hindi, snake charmers are known as sapera. So, snake charmer sits outside the biting range, and the snake is sluggish and reluctant to attack anyway. More drastic means of protection include removing the poisonous fangs or plugging them. Snake charmers carry the snake inside a round box made of cane. Today, their traditional profession is fading away as many people believe that this art is an act of cruelty towards snake. So, snake charmers, as you heard about snake charmer, you might have seen in the village or the town that the snake charmers, Safera, come with a box with a snake, and with a bean they used to play the flute and the snake used to dance. With this they used to collect money, and with those money they this help them to survive. Okay, this is how few people depend upon animals. So in this class, I'm ending this class with this. In the next class, we will go through many important topics from this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.